Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable display IP address on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So here we have the home page. Now we need to go over to the menu and here go to the preferences. Here we need to go to the display settings, and right at the bottom we will have the display IP address. Now we need to click here, and as you guys can see, we can either turn it on or turn it off. So here, let me turn it off. And as you guys can see now, our IP address won't be displayed, and after we change it to on, it will be displayed. So this is where you guys can change it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.